Hi everybody, and welcome to Truewants. So here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping Truewants get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is always exciting when this brand reaches out because they are a seasonal box that not only offers wine with their seasonal box, they also add inside a luxury box filled with beautiful, beautiful high-end goodies. And that is what I love to share with you. It's usually like 5 to 6 full-size items. This box normally runs around $64.99, but Truewants has a code that's going to save us $15 off for any new subscriber. So that will bring the box down to $49.99. And like I said, this is a seasonal box. It will always come with 2 bottles of wine, and you will be able to choose if you want white, if you want red, if you want sweet, if you want to mix the two. But then they add an extra bonus. What you're able to also do is change the ship to address. So when we are in the type of season where we are in gift giving time, you will be able to take your subscription and then just ship it to another address. And then you'll be able to share this type of fantastic, fantastic gift with others. I think this is an actually luxurious box. And like I said, the products that they put inside, the few that I've had the opportunity to open on my channel, have been absolute home runs. All right. This is something that I wanted to be able to share on my channel because I think it is fantastic for gift giving as well. So like I mentioned, this is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. Each box is curated to help women relax, recharge, and unwind. And they're saying the bonus tip, I mentioned that you can change the shipping address each quarter. And then they say keep the first one for yourself, and then you can change the address and send it to a mom, special lady, or anybody that you want to get goodness to in a box over to their home. So it has 5 to 6 full-size products that are made up of products, delicious treats, and fun, unique gifts that are curated, they sing, just for her. Just so that you know, their bottles of wine are premium. They're either going to be made in California or South Africa. And then you get to choose between those white wine, red and white wine, or the sweet wine. All right. So as you can see, when you get it in a nice size box like this. It also, because there is alcohol inside, somebody has to be over 21 years old or older to be able to sign for the box. It comes FedEx. It comes beautifully packaged. And inside the bottom of the box, there's usually a crate like this that cradles the 2 bottles of wine. And the 2 bottles of wine that they sent over this time is the one that is called Night Vine. And this is a California Chardonnay. And this is what this looks like here. And then the other bottle that they sent over is the one that is called Tines. And this is a Merlot. And this they have sent over before in a previous box. And when I had the opportunity to gift this, to somebody who enjoys wines, and especially ones that are from California, they said this is spectacular. So I'm so happy to be able to have the opportunity to share with you about these products, because wine is something that is always such a fantastic gift to use as housewarmings, or you're invited to someone's home for dinner. It is always nice to have a couple of bottles of wine in your home to be able, if you have someone stopping by as well. So to me, this is a luxury box at a really attainable price. The next item that they started off, and it also comes with a brochure in here, and then they have inside the brochure, they have the sneak peek of what is going to be in here. They also have a marketplace that you can get some fantastic deals on there as well. But the first item that they have in here is the one from this brand called Swig. And this is a really nice high-end brand, and it is called the Cocktail Club. And when you get the box, you'll see those 2 crates on the bottom, which will be filled with the 2 bottles. And then you will get a beautiful box that is a normal size, to me, subscription box inside. And inside this box, I've already pulled all the items out so that I could take a picture for my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you are missing out. My name there is Truewants with the number 2. But I wanted to be able to share with you some information that they wrote about this here. So this one here is called the Swig Cocktail Club Mug. And this is what it looks like here. And it says this is a $34 value on its own. And it says the Swig Life is a stainless steel drinkable featured triples insulated technology for premium temperature retention and has a non-slip silicone base. It is a hammered texture. It is a one-of-a-kind combination of this insulated stainless steel travel mug that is mixed with a feel of a cocktail mug. This is a hand wash only. They tell you not to microwave it. It is made of stainless steel. And it also comes in assorted designs if you choose, but in her box, this is the one that we got in our box today. It also has on here where they have, you can register it on Swig and swiglife.com to be able to keep the warranty going. In reference to this, you can see how well this is made. It has that rubber on the bottom. It also came that there was a handle in the box. I'm not sure if this fell off in the box. It is something that I'm going to look at afterwards, but there are 2 areas here where this would normally be put on, but I will definitely call the company and find out about that because this is probably what it should look like here. When you look at the top of this, you have it where it has a really good silicone seal on it, and then it has this little area here where you can pop it up and sip through it or put a straw through it as well. So this is, like I said, stainless steel. They also have some information in here of how to register for the product. So this is a high-end brand that they're putting into their boxes. So that's what I mean by this being a luxury box at an attainable price. The next item in here, they sent over, and it feels like cashmere, but it says it is from the brand called Umo Lorenzo, and it says cashmere feel on it. And this is this beautiful, beautiful fringed scarf. And this, it says Cellini New York Winter Cozy Scarf. This says a retail value of $25, and these colors are perfect for this time of year. It says stay warm and cozy while keeping your neck and face protected from the bitter cold of the winter with this plaid scarf from this Cellini New York. Not only is this scarf perfect for your winter wardrobe, but it remains light enough to wear during the spring and fall seasons, and it will keep you stylish all year. So it comes in a plastic wrap. It has the hanger, which I always try to keep these because I have an area in my room where I keep my scarves, and then I'm able to always keep them in this type of, so they don't get all scrunched up if you don't put them in your drawers. You can also roll these because this definitely feels like cashmere, and it is beyond stunning. It is the same pattern on both sides, but it is not one that is like that over shawl. It is the true scarf that you'll be able to put on. And this is also one that I feel is really unisex. So this is also fantastic. If you are sending, so far, both of these products, I think are unisex. So I'm excited about that. The next item in here is a pair of stud earrings. And in the stud earrings, this came so beautifully packaged. This one here is from the brand called Violet and Brooks. It is a red stud earring. This has a retail value of $20. It says, oh, dazzling. These vibrant, versatile, easy-to-wear earrings from this Violet and Brooks are gold-plated and brass. They're also hypoallergenic and made with a lead-free post, making them the perfect studs to wear every day. It is inspired by the garnet gemstone. This oval red crystal stud will add the dash of color for any outfit this holiday season. The red crystal is also cold-plated and brass, hyperallergenic, and it has a lead-free post, and that is what the posts look like on the back there. And this, to me, the way it is packaged, it is so ready for gift giving as well. And what a beautiful matching set if you're wearing it with this scarf, I think is absolutely stunning. The next one is a favorite to a lot of us, and it is from the brand called Spun Gel. And this is a body buff. These are $16 full retail, and this is a perfect package and design. The Spun Gel's unique body wash is infused with buffers that change instantly underwater as you squeeze from the sensual exfoliating massage texture to add the soft as silk. The built-in body wash is infused with extracts of yuzu, elderwise, as well as vetiver root to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. And then they're saying the scents may vary. So the scent that they sent over here is the one in Sugar Plum. These are also fantastic for gifts. And again, to me, this is something that you can definitely, if you're a man or a woman, enjoy. And this is how big these are. They are fantastic. They are, when you get this, the first time I introduced myself to Spun Gel, I found it to be a little bit too hard for me. So I started using it to scrub my feet and scrub, areas like that, my body, like the elbows and the knees and things like that. Over time, it softens up, but the amount of lotion that is inside, you will get so many uses out of this. It is unbelievable. It is a body wash. It's dermatology tested. It will cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate, as well as massage. And it simply says direction is to place the sponge under water, squeeze and absorb, massage into circular motions to clean, then squeeze any excess water out after each use. And that is what this looks like. And there has not been a scent that I have received or purchased for myself that has not been scrumptious. So these are, like I said, very luxury to be able to give as a gift as well. So the next item in here was one that they mentioned. They'll always put something in that is delish. And this is a sweet and salty and minty. It is called the Peppermint Chunk Niblets, and it says it is a crunchy snack mix. And that is what this looks like here. And this one, what they wrote about this, has a $3 value. And it says, created from the magic of their grandma's recipe. This is a peppermint chunk nibbles that are deliciously holiday spin on a nostalgic third generation family recipe. Is that not crazy? It says they're sweet and salty with a hint of mint to put you in that holiday spirit. These treats will have your hand wandering back into the bag looking for the next bite. So that is what this is here. So this whole box, the retail of this box is just under $150. This package alone has 2 servings, and they're saying the calories are 140, and it has 7 grams of fat. And it says their story is behind any great recipe. There's a grandmother, and she calls hers Cuddy. Cuddy came up with this unique blend of a gourmet ingredient that made up what they now call the chunk nibbles. And every Christmas, Cuddy and their mother, Marion, would make this sweet and salty snack. It was always a hit in the holiday parties, and one day we decided to share this delicious treat with the world. So from their family to ours, we hope that you will enjoy these chunky nibbles. And then that's a picture of the family there. What a unique product. And they're saying this is made in Michigan. So that is going to be something that I look forward to enjoying as well. So that is everything that I have to share with you in reference to this box. I think it is an absolute winner. I love when they take the opportunity to send it over to Truewants, the channel, to give me the opportunity to share about their box on this channel. I appreciate it so much. But I really appreciate that they take the time to also give a code to the channel, which is simply Truewants, that will give anybody who wants to try this box $15 off their first box, which I think is absolutely a nice way to be able to try it. And like I mentioned, you can have the first one shipped directly to you. And then after that, if this is something you want to gift, you'll be able to then simply go on their website and be able to change the address of where you want to send this, because it is a seasonal box. On top of that, they have some fantastic deals on their website that once you are part of their website, you will be able to go into it and see all these other specials that they have offering right now, which I think are absolutely fantastic. And what did I mark in here? And they also have custom wines, and those all retail for around $24, but they always have deals going on. So I want to make sure that you guys are familiar with their website, and it is simply called Vineoh. And like I said, it comes with the brochure here, which gives you a lot more information on the products as well that were inside the book. And that's it. So wanted to take the time to share this with you. Once again, thank you to Vineoh for sending this over to the channel. I think every item in here is an absolute winner. And it is also the quality of it, to be able to give it to others. I think they will be impressed with it as well. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all again in the next one. Bye for now.